everyone. Today we will see how to make a tasty and crispy evening snacks, the Paneer Fingers. To make this Paneer Fingers, take a block of paneer and cut it into strips like this, and then take each strip and cut it again in the middle, just as I am showing it in this video. Now take all these Paneer Fingers and add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of Garam masala, a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, and quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now mix the paneer pieces in all of this masala. Make sure the paneer gets coated in this masala very nicely. As you keep mixing, if your paneer is very soft, it will break into pieces, but that's okay. Just make sure the paneer gets coated very nicely so it's nice and tasty. Then in another bowl, take quarter cup of Maida. To that add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm adding some oregano and red chili flakes. If you don't have oregano or chili flakes, use any seasoning that you have. You can add pasta seasoning or anything that you have, or if you don't have anything, then just add some pepper powder and salt. Now add a little bit of water and keep mixing this maida and corn flour till it becomes a slurry, a kind of a paste. Add water as required till you get a nice paste consistency. Then add required salt and mix it again. Then in another plate, take some breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, just take 2 slices of bread, put it in a mixie and blend it and use that. Now we'll start preparing the paneer fingers. Take each coated paneer and put it in the maida paste. Make sure the maida gets coated all over the paneer. And then put it in the plate of breadcrumbs and coat the paneer with the breadcrumbs. Make sure the breadcrumbs cover the maida and paneer very nicely, and then set it aside. Do this for each of the paneer slice and set it aside. Here I have coated all the paneer pieces with maida and breadcrumbs. We'll start frying the paneer pieces now. Make sure the oil is very hot and then add each paneer into the hot oil and fry it till it becomes golden brown. Keep turning the paneer pieces now and then and cook till it's nice and brown. Once it's like this, golden brown in color, you can remove it to a tissue paper. Do this for the remaining paneer pieces also. So this is it, our easy and simple paneer fingers is ready. It's a very tasty snack, evening snack. You can make this for kids and they'll definitely love it. When you break into this, the paneer is still soft, but the outside is nice and crispy. It tastes just like fish fingers. Do try it out. I'm sure you'll love it. Until next time, bye-bye.